All right, I think that's gonna hold it. Want one of these?
Sure.
First couple of years after we adopted you, I had no clue how to be a dad. And your mom, she was out one day, and you were bawling your eyes out. I had the secret weapon.
So you gave me a piece of candy?
Yep.
Did it work?
I guess. You didn't turn out that bad, did you? Huh? All right, you can be able to get the lawn, because I gotta get to the seed store.
Yeah, no worries. I'll handle it. Damn it. Come on! Stupid thing!
Oh, you're not doing it. I love it. That's how you shoot. That's how you shoot.
But what about this brown one? I think you can right there, right there.
Oh, you were right.
Let's make it brighter.
Oh, that's it.
While we got time, we are people that make it happen. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you.
There you go.
This is for little kids.
Oh, come on. Make a wish. Thank you, Erica.
We didn't even know they were gonna bring it. It's pretty nice.
Hey, you don't want it, you can just slide it on over here. You know, I'll take it.
Oh, my God. Yay! There we go.
So, Brandon, I hear you're killing it in school.
He tested in the top 1%.
No, we tested in the top 1/10 of 1%. Yes, the whole faculty is talking about him.
He is a little super genius.
So, a special guy deserves a very special present. This is from me and your Aunt Marilee.
Go ahead, open it.
I shot my first buck with that very same model.
Whoa, no. No guns. We talked about this,
I
Tori.
know, but
No, come on, he's still just a kid.
I'm 12 years old.
I know, exactly. You were still a child.
Give it to me.
I'm sorry, what'd you just say to me?
I said, give it to me!
Brandon.
Okay, we are done here. We're not having ice cream. Thank you so much. Brandon, let's go. Brandon, come on. Let's go. Brandon, up now.
Brandon. Listen to your father.
We are leaving. Let's go.
I love you.
So fun. Thank you
go.
so much.
Later. Okay. Sorry.
Don't even worry about
Sorry.
it. Yep.
I love you guys. Babe, I told you.
You sure you want kids?